Hi guys, my name is Noni Matigela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today I want us to talk about the Senzo Mewa case, of course, and I want us to have a serious focus on one thing that happened in that courtroom. First of all, we as the public were under the impression that on Thursday we are coming back to find out what Nisi's quotations are and where to from the quotations. Sorry, because Ncube requested that he's gonna need his own private dental examination, and then the state can also do their own. So now Umnisi needed to go and find out a private what so that Ncube can actually go for the dental examination. Tell me now, why are we hearing? The first thing that we are hearing now is that Ncube already went on Wednesday while Mnisi was supposed to be doing his things. Then now Ncube is the one that went, and he was taken by the state. He was taken to a state hospital. What was that all about, Baloy? Hayibo, hayibo. Like ngiyazifuna lezo ndaba ukuthi what was that all about? Because now my understanding was that we are coming back on Thursday to do that, and then we will have a way forward. And after that, we will see ukuthi uMabasa uzobuya asebenze that day or not. Someone please remind me ukuthi on Tuesday when we left, what was the discussion? What was the decision? Because maybe it's me that is having issues. Anyway, as shocked as we were, ukuthi Ncube has already went to a public doctor. There are a few things that I want us to note. Before that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget to engage. Engagement is key on social media, especially on the YouTube space. So please make sure you engage and engage and engage, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Like all the videos, watch until the end, and also make sure that you are commenting. That way you are helping this channel to grow financially and in numbers. And thank you so much for everything that you have done for the channel so far. Okay? And now let's focus. Coming back to this. Ncube, now we are hearing like he already went. We are like, Haibo. Hi, Kesana, as if that Haibo was not enough. While we were like, Haibo, he already went and it was organized by the state. We are like, we want the details of the entire situation. I guess it was told up details unless we interview Ncube self. Now we are hearing Usibanda saying that Umnisi will address the court. Was it Subanda? Yes. Umnisi is the one that is going to address the court. We are like, okay, what are the results? As we were sitting there waiting for the results, Umnisi gets up and said, yes, the results are in. He was contacted. He's aware. Ncube went to the dentist, blah, blah, blah. Was taken to a surgeon, a specialist. Yeah, I think he said some specialist, and the results are in. Now we can continue or go forward with what you call with the cross-examination. And we're like, Zitini results. While we are still focusing on that, there is Sibanda taking the results reports. They're taking the report to the judge, and the judge is like, what must I do with this when there's no witness? We're like, oh, that's not procedure. While we are still shocked with that, now we are realizing there's no witness. I'm like, so if they took Ncube yesterday to the dentist, then it means they knew the results, both Ncube's a lawyer and the state. So why did they not organize Mabasa to come in? Haike Umabasa was Dululu, and then it got to know Usibanda response to the judge and say, no, Umabasa is based in Bryanston, in Brixton, and judge is like, that's about 1 hour's drive to come to Pretoria. And then they're like, okay, so what must happen now? And they're like, okay, we'll adjourn and then we'll come back. Now, we as the public are sitting there, we as frustrated because we don't know what the results are saying. Now I had time to think about things. I'm like, there is no way that Ncube could actually challenge the entire Republic of South Africa and everybody abroad and wherever outside of the Republic into a space of, I want a dentist. Kanti, he knows that he had a gold tooth before. I think he is bold, and he insists on it because he knows that he has never done a gold tooth in his mouth. He has never did that in his entire life. So he is sure of what he is asking. And that way he is rebutting the evidence that says the person that entered that house of the Khumalo, the intruder, was a person that had gold tooth. So he is rebutting that. So he would never lie with his defense like that, because that is a very huge portion of defending himself. So the reason I'm doing this video, I'm just like, I just want to say to people, we need to be at ease and trust him, because the other thing that he did there is to be bold to say, take me to a doctor, number one. Number two, he says, the state can take me to their own doctor, and then I will also want to go to my own private doctor. So he wouldn't even go far as wanting second opinions. And then he also stated why he would need a second opinion. He does not trust the state machinery because of many things that have happened into the Senzo Meyiwa case. So do you see why we should be relaxing? I know we were busy being language experts saying, yo, Umnisi looked like he's not sure the way he said it. And then we also said, but Ubaloyi looked nervous. There was a lot of things that were being said about the languages of the people. And then we did not see much of Umncube. So now we were left wondering and not knowing what is going on. Right? But yes, we are still going to hear about the results this morning because we did not hear anything. Now, all the question people are asking, did he had a gold tooth or not? What are the results saying? Well, we will all know together when they are being read into that courtroom, or we will all know together when Mnisi is putting to Mabasa questions, when Mabasa is the one that said that he, as Mabasa, is seeing something gold in Ncube's tooth. Now, in those photos, he is going to have to tell us, why is he seeing something gold? Where is it coming from? He will need to tell us that. Do you understand? And he will also need to tell us, when he says he is seeing something gold, who made the picture to be like that? If that report comes and then it says that there was no gold in those teeth of Ncube, then Mabasa needs to explain, how did the picture had a gold tooth? And I'm waiting to see how are they going to get out of this one. Honestly, how the hell are they going to get out of this one? Because we really need to understand. We really need to understand how are they going to run away. And then we have another problem, which is Uchashrat. Uchashrat can come and say whatever. He can say things. Because I remember the last time they were busy talking about this gold tooth situation, previously, he said, what if it was a fake gold teeth? And also on Tuesday, while Nisi was busy speaking to Ncube regarding to whether he's going to go to a private doctor or a state doctor, do you know what the judge said? He says, you know what? There was a brother that was said to have a gold tooth. So you see, from that alone, that is a problem on its own. That is a problem on its own from that alone. So we're going to see the few things that I pray that we take note of. How is the judge going to deal with the report? What are his comments? I need us to take note of his commentary when it comes to that. And I need us to take note of how Mabasa is going to get out of this one. While we were even also shocked, Gesana, Kwato asilinde until later. They came back around 12 o'clock and Mabasa was nowhere to be seen. We could not, Mabasa, there was excuses now that Mabasa is out there busy with another case in another court. And I'm like, how? Didn't she was supposed to be here. Why is he taking another court? And then the judge did nothing. Gemda let me drink my tea. The judge said nothing. There was no shouting. There was nothing of, yeah, you are wasting time, blah, blah, all of that. No, you better get Mabasa. Give me the contact number. Which court is that? We did not hear those questions. I tell you, we did not hear those questions. I'm trying to mind my business, but I can't, because why didn't you, Judge Rata, say, give me the number of the judge? Which court is that? Where in Johannesburg? I want to call that judge and tell them that Mabasa was supposed to be in my courtroom and I want him here. No, it did not happen, guys. It did not happen. Instead, we saw them getting up and leaving. There was no questions of Sibanda. Why didn't you make sure that Mabasa is here, because you already had this report? Or at least ask questions of, when did you get the report? Yesterday. And then why didn't you speak to Mabasa and organize him to be here today? We did not hear any of that. We absolutely did not hear any of that, I'm telling you. But anyway, enough about Richard Rata and that, but the bottom line is that we are waiting for the results to be read. They are in. What are they saying? Me, I trust Mncube in this instance of, he has no reason to lie about a defense that is very crucial. So I believe that the report will say there was no gold tooth. That's my prediction to you guys. I will do a live and then I will put my prediction there. And then we will go to a marathon, and you guys are going to give me my 10 runs if ever my predictions come true. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I will see you on our next video. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.